All right, you have found an image that you would like to use from Flickr, and you need to download that image to a folder on your computer that you've created. I'm going to show you how to do that. When I'm looking at the image down here on the bottom right hand side, there's several controls. We've already used this one to get a link to be able to put it in our document. There's a bunch of other sharing options too. The one next to it, that arrow pointing down, is the download option. And this is where you are actually downloading the image file onto your computer. So we're taking it off the web onto our computer to be able to work with it. I know you're thinking about this artistically and how you might want different sizes of this image. You actually have the option with Flickr to see different sizes right here. So click on View Sizes, and this lets you resize this image right here in Flickr until you find one that you think you might want to use. Now you can always change the size of this in your photo editor, but you can also do it right here. So when I find the one I like, I click right here. It says download this version. And then I see right here that the file has downloaded to my computer. I'm going to minimize my browser, and again, to minimize a browser, I just click on the yellow minus sign. And on my desktop, I'm going to the Finder, and I'm going to Downloads. And if I have this organized in a list form with the most recent first, let me show you what I'm talking about here. It's taken it a minute. Okay, if I do this and put it in a list form and say organized by date modified, I'm just clicking on that. This is all taking a little bit. It will put the newest one at the top, which should be the one you just downloaded. You can highlight it, hold and drag, and put that on your desktop. Now that it's on your desktop, you can move it over to your folder that you've created in Documents. Go to Documents, find your folder. I created one. I have a lot of stuff in my documents. There won't be as much on yours. I have a folder called Mr. Cox. Now I hold, drag, until I see it, the blue go over the folder and release it. And now that photo file is in my folder on this computer. And when I have all of my photos together, I'm ready to then to go out and start editing into a collage. All right, there you go.